So today I'm going to do things a little differently. I watched a video on Indian Bridal Makeup and they did their routine completely different than I did. So I am going to try it and see if I like the results, although I'm not going to put on quite as much makeup as I saw in that particular video. I'm just going to try a different layering technique. We'll see how it goes. Hey, thanks for joining me. It's Nicole Dominique from Nicole Beauty Co. Stay and watch me play. I am using Smashbox 24-hour eye primer. And I am going in with Maybelline Soda Pop Chilling on the upper brow bone. I didn't have any particular look in mind because I had seen that video that I very much enjoyed about the Indian bridal makeup. And I'm just kind of winging that look because the video did not list the products. I have no idea what they were using. It was just a different layering technique than I normally do, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Here you can see me with Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown. And as I'm sure many of you know if you've been on my channel at all, I am a makeup enthusiast, definitely not a makeup artist. So my makeup is a learning process. I am definitely still learning and growing as a makeup lover. I really only started to embrace makeup as an art form recently. I am 49 and a couple months old, and I just really wanted to start doing something for myself, which I felt inhibited to do previously because my whole life I've just really not been very comfortable in the skin I was in. So at almost 50, I have concerns. Right here, you'll see me using Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo. And I'm using Infallible Full Coverage Concealer to cut the brow. And that's in Oatmeal. But when I turned 49, I swore this was going to be a transformative year. I was just going to try new things. So I am going in with a little bit of Cola Float. Blending it out. And right here you'll see root beer in the crease. Feathering out my blend on the root beer. Here we have some grape pop. Soda Fizz. Cherry Cola in the middle. A little more cherry cola. And I am smudging on a little bit of grape pop at the waterline. So doing my eye look first was completely new to me. I have never ever done it in that way. Anastasia of Beverly Hills Liquid Liner in black. My new favorite. I can see the benefit to doing your eyes first though, because any fallout that you get, you are not going to ruin your under eye concealer. You can just easily wipe off if you haven't done the rest of your face makeup. So I think I'm going to try this for about a week because so far I really like the idea of doing my eyes first. It seems to make more sense to me than doing it the old way that I was, which was doing all my face first and my eyeshadow last. So I really It just blew my mind when I saw this. But like I said, I mean, I'm a makeup lover and enthusiast. I'm not the end all and be all and know it all of makeup. So this was just, I don't know, it just blew my mind. I'm definitely going to do it again. A little bit of Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara. I love Maybelline mascara. I've used high ends like Dior. I just don't see any difference. To me, the main difference in mascara is the applicator. Definitely not the formula. So here I am putting on some more concealer. This is my Infallible Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm using my brand new Sephora Concealer Stipple Brush. This is the first time I have ever put on concealer using a brush, and I really liked it. I thought it was faster than using a beauty blender, so I think I'm definitely going to stick with that. Now you can see I went a little crazy with the concealer. Like I said, I've never done it with a makeup brush before, and so this was just kind of a first time experiment. I don't think it turned out perfectly, but I will say that I felt like overall it wore better. And here you can see me doing L'Oreal True Blend foundation. And I have way, way, way too much foundation. NARS Cheek Studio, and I'm just doing a little bit of contouring. And again, this is the first time I've ever used a brush that was shaped like this, although I've used brushes for contour before, and it was so fast compared to the other type of brush that I was using that did not have that cut crease. Little contour on the nose. Just again, so super fast. And I am always pressed for time. Little contour on the forehead there. So anything that makes my routine faster and easier, I am all down for. So I am a huge fan of that contour brush. It is fantastic. Worth every penny. You can check out my Sephora unboxing video. This is the first time I've used those brushes. I unboxed them in a video, but I hadn't actually used them. And here I'm stippling on a little bit of Fenty Berry Balm Shimmer in 24 karat ray, or 24K ray. The Pinrose Sephora Collab Cheek Brush, and I'm using Smashbox, Blushrush, and Peony. Translucent Laura Mercier Loose Powder for setting. And a little more concealer because I am having some horrible bags. Trying to work it out, ladies. Trying to work it out. Oh my goodness. Stippling in a little bit of that Laura Mercier Loose Powder with my Fenty Kabuki foundation brush. A brush I am absolutely loving, I gotta tell you. Wet n Wild Lay Down the Mauves Lip Liner, CoverGirl Liquid Vinyl Lipstick. So in the Indian makeup tutorial, they did these face layers probably, I didn't count, but I'm gonna guess 3 or 4 more times. They must have spent a lot of time baking in between. I don't have that time this morning, but I did it this way. We'll see how it holds up at the end of the day. Yeah, who knows? I do like the eyeliner, or the eyeshadow. My face didn't come out perfectly. I've got way too much foundation on, but I loved using a brush, and I'm definitely going to do it again. What do you guys think? Have you ever stepped outside of your comfort zone to do a type of makeup or a technique that you've never done before? You know, you never know how these things are going to turn out. Sometimes good, sometimes no. I'm going to link to the products I used and to the video that inspired me in the description if you are curious. Surely, not being a makeup artist, my makeup did not turn anything like hers, but we're gonna wear it to work. We're gonna see what happens. It's definitely different than what I normally do. So let me know what you think. And as always, please like, subscribe, share. Thank you for sharing a moment of your day. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy.